The 13th UX slogan is designed for them, not for you. Let's discuss this using a metaphor, making dinner. Imagine you're home alone and cooking dinner for yourself. You think about what you're in the mood for, what you have on hand, you make it and you eat it. It doesn't really matter what it looks like, how it's presented, or if anyone else would enjoy it, as long as you do. In this case, you are your one and only customer. Now imagine you're making dinner for a group of friends you're having over. Instead of just making whatever you're in the mood for, what's easiest, you consider the ingredients that they may be allergic to, what they like, how you're going to serve it, and if they'll enjoy it. If you're a good host, you even prioritize their preferences over your own. In this example, your friends are your users. So it's likely you've heard the phrase, "You are not the user." It's one of our most important UX slogans. We can't judge how successful a user's experience is based on whether we like it for ourselves. Instead, we have to conduct research, iterate on a design, and build experiences that are best for the people who will actually be using them. The temptation to assume that users think similarly to yourself is deeply rooted in human nature. It's called the false consensus effect. We assume that others share our beliefs and will behave similarly to us. This is why people have such a hard time with politics, for example. People like to think that close family members or friends vote for the same candidates as them and only believe that someone who is super different, like living in a different part of the country or from a different socioeconomic class, could have possibly voted for the other candidate. So the only way around this is to conduct user research. Develop an understanding of who your users are and what they truly need. But even then, an understanding is just the first step. As you're designing, you must work against the temptation to design for what you might like and consistently and dutifully return to your users, their needs, and what works best for them. As Don Norman, our co-founder, says, we must design for the way people behave, not for the way that we wish them to behave.